How to check your career stats in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on the career tab here at the top. As you can see, I have no stats yet since I haven't played in a long time. But there's also a filter right here which can change that. So just simply click on this side right here or just click on stats options. Now, once you're here, you can set this to the mode that you want to see the stats of. So let's say I want to see my stats on my battle royale, so I'll just keep it like that. And for the ranked mode, I'm just gonna set it to off. And for party size, I'm gonna set it to all. And I'm gonna choose career right here, so it will show me my all-time stats. So this one is the current season, and for this one is for all the seasons that has finished in Fortnite. So just simply click on that if you also want to see that. But if you also want to see your stats on certain careers or seasons, you simply need to pick the season right here. But for me, I'm gonna go with career, then click on apply. So these are all my stats right here. And let me see if I did rank back then. So I'm just gonna go open up rank, click on apply. I haven't had played ranked games, so I'm just gonna go with off right here. And these are all my stats right there. And that's basically it.